Surface pattern design is one of the most popular creative career options today. With the help of design programs like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Procreate and more, you can create repeating patterns at home and license them to companies around the world. You can even earn commissions by selling them on print-on-demand sites like Spoonflower. Hi everyone, I'm Gitanjali, an artist, illustrator, surface pattern designer and Thanka painter based in Goa, the beautiful southwestern coast of India. As a self-taught surface pattern designer, I tend to experiment a lot with my technical skills to get the best result in the smartest way possible. Even though I'm a tech geek, I love traditional mediums equally, and that is why you will see a wide range of style in my artwork. I started my surface pattern journey in 2016 when I found Spoonflower, a print-on-demand company that sells fabric, wallpaper and home decor. Today I have over 1400 designs in my shop and I have also licensed my prints to companies. This course is going to be a series of classes starting with the basics of surface pattern design and slowly moving on to creating simple to complex patterns, and finally how to customize your own workflow. This class is suitable for all skill levels. However, some basic knowledge of surface pattern design is helpful. I'm really excited to work on this project with you. So let's get started.